Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the iPad and opening Shortcuts. Make sure your device is updated, then launch the Shortcuts app so you can act immediately. Once done, tap the plus sign to create a new shortcut and name it. This helps you identify it later. Make sure Siri is enabled if you plan voice activation. If you'll import community shortcuts, enable allowing untrusted shortcuts in settings, otherwise stick to your own builds for full control. Now you build the shortcut by adding and arranging actions. Pick actions like Open App, Get Contents of URL, Set Variable, or Run JavaScript for web tasks. Each action is a block you stack. Use variables and if blocks for decision-making, chaining outputs into inputs so data flows. Once you've assembled several actions, press Run to execute only the selected steps, which helps catch errors early. Make small edits, then retest until finish by choosing how you'll trigger the shortcut. Add it to the home screen, assign a Siri phrase, or create an automation for time or location. Export or share a copy as a backup and tag it with a clear icon so you find it fast. If the shortcut fails, check inputs and permissions first, confirm network access for web actions, and update any external apps or APIs it depends on. Rerun problematic steps and view results to pinpoint the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.